Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make money with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, make sure you watch this entire video, because in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the exact 6 steps that you must follow if you want to be successful with affiliate marketing. So if you want to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, make sure you watch this entire video. Welcome back, guys. Thank you so much for checking out my content. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Kirk Buchanan, and on this channel I teach people how to make money online. So if you want to learn how to make money online, whether it be dropshipping or affiliate marketing, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel right now, and you can do that by clicking on the red button and tapping the notification bell, and that is found just below my video. Alright, so with that said, let me dive straight into it and show you exactly what these 6 steps are for you to be able to start a profitable affiliate marketing business. Alright guys, so affiliate marketing is a great business model, and it's one of those business models that can actually provide you with a true source of passive income. So I'm sure a lot of you guys have heard about passive income, and you're very intrigued and very interested to learn how you can actually start making passive income. Alright, so affiliate marketing is one of those businesses that you can use to build a true source of passive income for many years in the future. Alright, so as long as you follow the 6 fundamental steps of affiliate marketing, you too can start an affiliate marketing business right now and start making affiliate commissions immediately, or within a couple of weeks, or within a couple of months. Alright, so right now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through what these 6 fundamental steps are, and it's highly recommended that you watch this entire video, because step number 5 is possibly the most important fundamental of actually building a really good affiliate marketing business. So step number 1 is to actually find a niche. I'm sure a lot of you guys may have heard this before, but whatever you're doing, right, in affiliate marketing, make sure you pick a niche, because it's going to come in very important as soon as I start talking about step number 3. Identify a niche. And if you guys are supposed to ask me what niche I recommend, I'm not going to recommend a specific niche, but what I'm going to be doing is recommending 3 different markets that I think are the best markets for you to actually pick a niche from. And those are health, wealth, and relationships. So those are the 3 recommended markets for you to actually pick your niche from to start your affiliate marketing business. What I'm going to be doing right now as well is to reveal to you this free website, this resource that you can use to help you to identify a niche for your affiliate marketing business. This website is called Niche Hacks. I'm going to leave links in the description for everything I talk about in this video. Once you go to Niche Hacks, what you'll see right here, as it says, over 1,800 profitable affiliate niches for you to choose from. And once again, remember, I recommend health, wealth, relationship. And if you look right here in the market section, you will see a lot of health. You will see some relationships right here, and also you'll see a lot of wealth. Alright, so that is how you go about identifying a niche. As you can see, Niche Hacks basically done all of that research for you, all of the work. All you need to do is to go on this page and identify a niche, an area that you'll be comfortable building your business around. So it could be something such as online business, it could be money management, it could be personal finance. If it's in health, it could be weight loss. If it's in relationship, it could be something such as marriage counseling. You get the big picture. So that's how you want to approach your affiliate marketing business. Identify a specific niche, because it's going to be very important as soon as I start talking about step number 3. Step number 2 is to actually start doing research. Alright, and this research is to actually identify different affiliate products that you can promote in your affiliate marketing business. And the place I recommend for you to actually start searching for affiliate products to promote, if you want to do digital products, that is ClickBank. Alright, so ClickBank is one of those very popular places for affiliates, and you can find a lot of different affiliate programs on ClickBank. So once you go to ClickBank and sign up, or maybe you don't even have to sign up, just look for where it says affiliate marketplace. You can start researching different affiliate offers that you may be able to promote, or you can promote in your affiliate marketing business. So let's say, for example, once again, you're in the e-business and marketing niche. you could go to ClickBank, go to Affiliate Marketplace, click on where it says e-business and marketing right here. And just below that, you'll find a lot of different sub niches within e-business and marketing that you can choose from. So let's say, for example, I was doing marketing. I was in that marketing field. I was teaching people how to do marketing, and I was creating content, which is what I'm going to talk about soon in that niche. There are lots of different affiliate products here that I could promote. As you can see, there are a total of 6 pages right here with different affiliate offers to promote within this marketing niche. So ClickBank is what I recommend, especially if you want to start promoting digital products in your affiliate marketing business. All right. If you want to do physical products as an affiliate, let's say, for example, you chose the tech niche and you wanted to start doing affiliate products for like laptops, maybe mobile phones, something physical that people can actually buy and have. I highly recommend you use Amazon, right? So Amazon doesn't pay a lot in affiliate commission, so you do need to be mindful of that. It doesn't pay half as much as what you would make on ClickBank. But if you want to sell physical products, that is one of the resources that I recommend that you start doing your research to see what is available for you to sell physically in your affiliate business. All right, so step number 3, very important step, is to actually build a website. All right, so a lot of you guys are going to be, well, hey, do I actually really do need a website? And I'm going to say yes. A lot of people teach you that you don't need a website, but you need some form of website. And you're going to learn more about that in step number 5. All right, so you need a website just so you can actually start collecting email addresses. Or maybe if you're doing, for example, blogging, then you will definitely need a website. But if you're doing something like video creation, maybe you're doing Instagram, then you may not necessarily need a blog for you to be putting content in written format, but you still need a landing page. So yes, you do need a website. It's highly recommended that you have a website. Even a 1-page website is recommended. It's going to come in very handy, and it's very important for your affiliate marketing business. All right, so I'm going to be recommending 2 ways that you can actually create your website. My number 1 recommended way is to actually use ClickFunnels. All right, so ClickFunnels, very easy for you to set up a 1-page website. Maybe you just want to set up a landing page like I have right here, just to capture email address, and you can create it as extravagant as you want or as simple as you want it to be. So as you can see right here, this is a landing page I've set up, and I'm giving away this free ebook. Very easy to create. So ClickFunnels, link is in the description once again. And as you can see right here, you can use ClickFunnels for any business. So if you're doing blogging, affiliate, non-profit, just getting started and want a regular website, business to business, network marketing, coaching, e-commerce, information products, agency, whatever it is, you can create it with ClickFunnels. All right, so that is what I recommend. A lot of you guys just starting out won't be able to afford ClickFunnels, but you can make your money back in a very short space of time. ClickFunnels, I think, starts at about $70 a month or something like that. But you do get 14 days free trial if you want to check out ClickFunnels. If you are not able to use ClickFunnels, or if you don't want to use ClickFunnels, you can use GetResponse. I use GetResponse for my emails, right? But you can also use GetResponse to create landing pages as well, and it's an all-in-one service. So if you want to use GetResponse, which is also a little bit more affordable when you're just starting out, then you can go right ahead and start using GetResponse as well. So you can use GetResponse once again to create a landing page just like this, or even better, as extravagant as you want it to be, or as simple as you want it to be for your business. But it's highly recommended that you have at least a 1-page website. All right, if you're doing blogging, then of course you're going to need a full website so you can create a lot of different blog posts for your affiliate marketing business, which is what I'm going to be talking about in the next step, which is step number 4. So step number 3 is to create this site, 1-page or full site. Highly recommended. And then step number 4 is going to be to create killer content. So you want to create content. It's very important for you guys to create content, because the internet runs on content. If you don't have any content, then no one is going to be be able to find you. No one's gonna hear about you. You need to create some form of content. So you can create content, whether it be on Instagram. You could do your Instagram videos, you could do images, whatever it is, and direct people to your landing page from your Instagram link in bio. You could create content on Facebook. It doesn't matter which platform you use, all right? But it's highly recommended. You have to create content. You just cannot make real money from affiliate marketing if you're not putting out content. It's very important. So you can do, whether you're doing videos, whether you're doing written content or you're doing voice or image content, you have to be putting out some form of content. All right, and have to be branding your content with your brand, your personal brand, the brand that you're building your affiliate marketing business around. All right, so a lot of people choose YouTube because video is very big right now and video continues to grow. So it's a very great place to start if you want to do affiliate marketing. But you could also do Facebook. Facebook videos are doing really well right now, and a lot of people are making a lot of money doing affiliate marketing using Facebook. You could do it on Instagram. A lot of people are making money with affiliate marketing from Instagram as well. With Instagram, it's a little bit trickier because you'll have to definitely be taking people with your link in your bio to your website or to your landing page. And from there, then you can get them onto an email list and you can start selling your affiliate offers and stuff like that. But you need to have killer content. It's very important. In the beginning of this video, I did say step number 3 was one of the most important. I may have mistaken, but step number 4 is definitely the most important step to actually start making really good money with affiliate marketing. A lot of people don't teach you this. They tell you that, hey, buy my course and go ahead and you start making affiliate commission. That's not how it works. You need to build a brand. You need to build a business around affiliate marketing. So you need to have content because that is how people are going to find you. And that is what they're going to use to determine if they should be using your recommendations or be listening to what you're telling them. All right, so very important. Create killer content. Platform doesn't matter as long as you're putting out great content. It's very important. All right, so step number 5 is to actually build your audience. So how do you build your audience? So once you start putting out content and content is good, then you're going to start reaching people. All right, so on YouTube, when you start uploading videos, you start reaching a very small amount of people, and then YouTube will start increasing your reach over time and your content will start getting better. You should ensure that your content gets better each time you upload new videos. If you're writing blog posts, it's the same thing. You're going to start getting a little bit of traffic over time. You want to start promoting your content, get your content in front of people. If you're using Facebook, it's the same thing. So you need to build your audience. All right. Once you start putting out content and you start getting a little bit of traction, then you want to get this audience on your email list or on a messenger list or in a Facebook group. You want to get control over your audience. All right, so that is how you really control your audience and how you can really monetize your audience to the best of your ability. So very important step for you to build your audience. And do remember that for you to be building your audience with content, you need to be putting out content very often. When you're just starting out, if you go back and check even some of my YouTube videos, in the beginning of creating content on YouTube, I was putting out like 3 videos every week. All right, so now that I have a lot of videos on my channel, I'm getting a lot of daily views. I don't necessarily put out content every day or every other day. All right, even though I'd love to, but I just don't have the time right now. But it's highly recommended that you put out content every day. The more content you put out, then the more people you reach, the bigger your audience will grow, and that is how you will make the most money with affiliate marketing. All right, so the internet game is a game where the person who controls the most traffic, who has the larger audience, makes the most money. So just think about it that way. So if you want to really make money with affiliate marketing, grow your audience as big as possible, right? So once you start hitting like 100,000, 200,000 people in your audience, on your email list, on your subscriber list, then you'll be making a lot of money from affiliate marketing. All right, so remember, build your audience. Very important step, a fundamental step for you to be successful with affiliate marketing. All right, so we're at the almost at the end of this video. I have one more fundamental step for you guys, and this is a no-brainer because if you're paying attention, you'd have realized that I've spoken about choosing a niche, researching affiliate products, building out your website, creating content, and building an audience. So the next thing must be that you should promote your affiliate products. Alright, so once you have built up that audience, whether it be on a YouTube channel, on Instagram, on Facebook, on an email list, then of course you want to start promoting your affiliate products. Alright, so you can also use your content to promote affiliate products right here. Or you could build up a lot of content before you actually start promoting affiliate products. So you need to choose what method, what model you want to use for your business. But guys, once you follow these exact 6 fundamental steps for your affiliate marketing business, I guarantee you that you will be making money with affiliate marketing. If you choose any other path, I can guarantee you that you will not be making any money from affiliate marketing. Alright, so that is what I have prepped for you guys for this video. Really do hope you found this content helpful. If you did, let me know by dropping a like on the video and leaving a comment just saying that, yeah, I love the video just below. If you have any questions as well, leave them in the comments. And before I go, please go ahead and get subscribed to my channel, because as I mentioned earlier, I'm going to be putting out a series of affiliate marketing videos for you guys. So if you want to know when I upload those videos, tap the notification bell after you click that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.